Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. CPU virtualization enabled, at least 4 GB RAM and 20 GB free disk. Next, download the Ubuntu ISO, pick an LTS for stability. Install your hypervisor, such as VirtualBox or VMware. Once installed, create a new virtual machine. Name it, select Linux and Ubuntu 64-bit, then allocate CPU cores and RAM. Make sure to set the virtual disk as VDI or VMDK, and choose dynamically allocated space, so that once done with the VM skeleton, attach the Ubuntu ISO to the VM's optical drive and set the boot order so the VM boots from that ISO first. Configure the virtual disk. Pick at least 20 GB and dynamic allocation for flexibility. Set networking to NAT for simple internet or bridged for LAN visibility. Choose EFI only if your use requires it. Also, tweak display and integration features. Enable shared clipboard, drag and drop, or folder sharing to make post-install tasks faster and smoother. You now boot the VM and run the Ubuntu installer. Choose language, keyboard layout, install updates and third-party drivers if needed, and pick Erase Disk on the virtual disk. Create your user and strong password. Let the installer finish and reboot. After login, install guest editions or VMware tools to get proper resolution, shared clipboard, and drivers. Finally, take a snapshot of the clean system and export, or copy the VM files for backup. If something breaks, revert immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.